When you see a bomb, just go and don't turn away. False stuff, I was break down into pieces that I couldn't even count. I was left loveless, but I don't know how. I was lost in the maze of love and now I'm found. There's a reason, like we have a different name for every season. Cause I know that I believe in your Jesus. All I need, there's nothing in this world would be with you eternally. Hesitation was the only thing I'm always running out of love. To be patient was my only key to unlock myself from my only enemy. Never take it to the truth, it was nobody but me who pushed myself, forced myself to the bad things when I realized I've done enough. And I'm sick of them entirely. But I don't need so much of fantasy in my life, cause chasing after fame is a shame for us all. Dealing with the wrong way and with nowhere to go. No, and with nowhere to go. Ooh, hey, don't you look away. When you see a path, just go and don't be afraid of your own mistakes. Mistakes are only there for a while. Just face it, then you see mistakes makes opportunity.
Don't be scared of your path, take a step just a little bit more. Braveness is your only opportunity, take it and go. Look, you're not here to stay, but to pray is your medicine. Please don't look behind, look up to the Lord. It's the only way, just say I don't need someone to take my back. Just stick to the path where the Lord has kept you.
Don't get off your track.
So show your locality, your only personality. So pray and pray, have faith in Jesus for all I gotta say. That grace and that mercy is greater than hate. Lord, I'm a servant as well as I'm a soldier. In every fight, for serving you is bolder. I'm older than my thoughts. As you've opened up my eyes, you let me see what's right. You let me realize.
Hey, don't you look away. When you see a path, just go and don't be afraid of your own mistakes. Mistakes are only there for a while. Just face it, then you see mistakes makes opportunity.
God knows the pain that you've been through. He knows you better than you do. His love is beyond compare. No matter where you be, He will be near.
God knows the pain that you've been through. He knows us better than we do. His love is beyond compare. No matter where we be, He will be near. Hey, don't you look away. When you see a path, just go and don't be afraid of your own mistakes. Mistakes are only there for a while. Just face it, and you see mistakes makes opportunity.
Cái chiếc